Hey boys and girls, hey parents, it's Miss Mason back with a math activity today. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about seriating, which is a big word, and all it means is to order objects by size or length. So normally in my classroom, I try to do this activity with rods or strips of paper. You could use Lego towers or Duplo block towers. You could use blocks. You could use pieces of paper, anything with varying lengths. So the very first step in the beginning of the year is to put small, medium, and large in order. So looking at my 3 strips of paper right here, we would say small, medium, large. I always teach the children that they can check their work by making sure their rods or towers or whatever they're seriating make steps. Boop, boop, boop. If they make steps, they know their work's right. Sometimes I have children do it incorrectly, and I'll remind them to check for steps, and they'll do this. Boop. And it teaches them to fix their mistake. So after they order by size, they check for steps. Do, do, do. So after they've mastered sizing small, medium, and large, we add more rods, and we try and have them be able to do shortest to longest with 6 rods. I usually lay them out in front of the students so they can easily visually see the varying lengths. They always start at the left as if they were reading, and they order the objects by length. When they raise their hand to tell me they've completed the work, I remind them to check for steps. Do, 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 do. They would know that they have correctly ordered them by size. Now, after a child has mastered sizing them small, medium, and large, and then 6 objects by length, we challenge them by having them insert 2 into the graduated order. That means they order by size the first 6, and then you give them 2 more. I usually do this. Oops, I forgot to give you these 2. I'm so sorry. Do you think you could tell me where they go? Students often have to play around with it to figure out where they go, but usually most of them can master it, especially if they do their steps. That doesn't seem right. And they can move them around as much as they need to figure it out. Do, do, do. That doesn't seem right. Let me try again. Do, 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 do. They know it's right when all their steps go in order. Now, you don't have blocks, you don't have strips of paper, I got you covered. If you're cooking in the kitchen, get out some different ingredients that you have laying around and let your child play with them. Here I have just a bunch of things from my spice drawer, and while I'm boiling water or making an easy mac because I don't cook, I can give these to my preschooler and ask him to order them by size. This actually might be the easiest way to do it if your child's struggling because it's easier for them to manipulate and feel. So you just give them the different items, let them play around with it to try and order things by size. And it's totally okay for them to move things around as they figure it out. And then when they're done, they can use the step test. Do, 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 do. There you go, ordering by size. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and talk to you soon.